Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be discussing about the bus lane that has been newly introduced in Bangalore. So still the trial process is going on, but by 1st November it will become official. So I just thought I'll try to share my opinion about this. So for people who are not in Bangalore, bus lane might be something that is very new to you because in India we don't have bus lanes as such. In other countries like London and other foreign countries, they have like specific lanes in which only buses can go. Other cars, two-wheelers can't go. Whereas in India we didn't have any like that system. But now recently, like in Bangalore, the process has started. So basically one specific stretch of road has been chosen to do the trial runs. It's on trial basis currently. So from, if you are from Bangalore, you'll know from Kyarpuram to Silk Board is the junction, like the part has been selected. So that's like it's called outer ring road. So it's a 6-lane road plus 2 service lanes. So this part is known for traffic. In peak hours there is like bumper to bumper traffic, and in normal like non-peak hours also there is medium traffic always. Like from morning I think 5 or 6 o'clock it starts until night 12, 1 o'clock there is continuous traffic. Only in like midnight time, after that it becomes slightly like empty, but that stretch is like very busy. So what now has happened is that there's a new bus lane that has been introduced in that 6-lane road only. So basically 3 plus 3. So in that 3-lane part, the left side of the road has been made a bus lane. So the like basic idea is that now the buses can go faster. So earlier they used to go at around 8 to 10 kmph because of all that traffic. But now because they'll have a dedicated lane, they are supposed, like the thinking is that the buses will travel at around 18 to 20 kmph, which means like almost double speed. Plus more buses will be introduced on, because there's a bus lane now, more buses will be introduced on that route. So that is the basic thinking, so that people traveling in bus can travel faster. But I don't really think it's a very good idea, bus lane. Currently, like bus lane on its own is a good thing if they were making a new road where there was a new bus lane they are making. But currently on the old road itself, making a bus lane is not a very good idea, because recently a few days back I went on that stretch of road where still the bus lane is not complete. Some parts have bus lane, but what I saw is that there is traffic jam. In wherever that bus lane is, there is traffic jam. Not in the bus lane, but the 2 lanes that we have separately, plus the service road, there is complete traffic jam. Almost continuously there was traffic jam on that road. So I don't know, like the main problem is that now earlier three lanes used to be completely full, and the service lane medium traffic. But now this 2, because the 3 lanes have become 2 lane, there is traffic jam. Plus service road is also now traffic jam, because that 3rd lane people are trying to come in the service lane. Service lane is not that big. People used to park cars. The parking is not allowed, but still people used to stay there, stay like inside the car, they stop there. Now there is complete traffic jam there. Plus another problem is that because the bus lane is on the left side and the service lane is also on the left, so the people coming from the service lane to the main road, they have to cross. And when they are crossing, normally what you will do when you are coming from service lane, you will join the leftmost lane. But now the problem is that there is no left lane. Left lane is bus lane. So you have to join the middle lane. Already there is traffic jam in that 2 lanes, plus you are trying to get inside that. So complete chaos it was. A few days back I had gone, and that road I went in like around 12:30 on a weekday. And weekdays there is traffic medium, but not bumper to bumper. Cars keep going. But what I saw with this bus lane is that now there is traffic in that bus lane. Whenever the bus lane was getting over, it becomes free. The moment bus lane starts, there is traffic. So my point of view would be that it's not make a new road, make a new one more extra road if you can, and add the bus lane. On existing road already Bangalore, there is so much traffic on Bangalore road, there's no point of reducing 1 lane just for buses. Like now they are saying that more buses will run on that route, But the people who are already traveling in buses and people who are traveling in car is completely different audience. The people who are traveling in car, they have certain reasons why they can't come in bus. And even if you have 10, 20 extra buses, they won't come in buses. They will go in car only because they have certain issues. Bus stand is somewhere else. There are like lot of problems that I have spoken to people. Even myself, if I try to come in bus in that route also, it's just not possible because the bus stand is somewhere far away. For going to bus stand only, it will take me more than going by car itself. So currently my opinion is that if you are going on that stretch of road, especially Kerpuram to Silkboard, be ready to face a lot of traffic even on non-peak hours, because now the bus lane is gonna like block, one full lane is blocked. So earlier slow cars or two-wheelers who used to go in the third lane, the leftmost lane, now they have to go in the central lane. So obviously one lane reduced means there is traffic. Bangalore roads are not that empty. Almost all roads are at full capacity only. If you reduce one lane more. So yeah, that is my opinion. Let me know, what do you think? Is it a good idea for people who travel in buses? Do you think like it's better? Because what ideally I would have suggested that, like, inform the BMTC bus drivers, keep on the left lane. Don't come in between. All of you keep going on the left lane itself. Like behind each other, let cars come in between, it's okay. But you guys don't come in between and side and then do left, right, because I've seen BMTC buses doing that. You keep on the left continuously from Kerpuram to Silkboard, keep on the left only. And let's see what happens. And after that, you introduce bus lane if you want to, but I don't think it will be needed because there is just too much traffic jam, and that's what I saw. So my impressions were that it's causing more traffic jam. Not sure whether the bus people will be benefited or not. That will be seen only once the full pathway is complete. Currently they were still cutting trees because the left side has some trees and all. So again they are cutting the trees also because they have to make way for the bus. Normally buses keep going left, right, but now since they have to go keep on going straight, there are trees which will block the bus roof. So they are cutting down the tree, like not big trees but small trees they are cutting off. So yeah, let's see what happens. But initially, like what I went like few days back, what I saw is that it's causing traffic jam. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button. Share this video, also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.